everyone, welcome back to another video of handy gifts. So as you all know, in today's video I'm going to continue making the handmade bag. So yes, without wasting time, let's begin. So today is part 2 of making this bag. So as you can see, yesterday's video you saw that I made the blue part. Now we are going to do the same with pink wool, cover it fully same way, so it will be double colored. So I'll show you once it's done. Same thing, just as you did the blue one, same way, cut out the same length of pink as well and do the same procedure. So let's do it. Guys, half of it is done and look at it, it's looking so good. Both the colors together are looking so damn good. I really can't wait to show you all the completed one. So yes, I have to finish this part still. There are 4 rows, no, there are 5 rows remaining. So I have to finish these and then we'll get back to next process. So yes, let me finish this, then I'll get back to you. Okay, so as you all saw, I completed the blue part. I started with the pink part and as you all can see, it's looking so good. It's like both colors together. It's come out very well. It's looking very nice. So the next process is I'm going to stick this cloth. I have kept some cloth pieces obviously, so I had this black one. So I cut out to the size of this. So I'm going to stick it here to this part using hot glue. So let's just do that. I have hot glue gun here. Remember, if you're not old enough to use it, then please have your parents stay with you or let them do this part, because it is not, even me when doing this many times I've got it's hot, no, so I have obviously touched it many times and felt hot. So don't do that. Do it in your parents' supervision, that is much better. If you're old enough, then it's fine, but if you're younger, then please do have your parents do it for you. The first part obviously you can do it, but this part you have to have your parents with you. So I have stuck one side. I have to stick all the other 3 sides, so I'll do that and get back to you. Okay guys, so I have stuck the cloth here. I am going to cut out the extras that are here. As you can see, it's extra here, so I'm going to cut out the extras now. Okay, so I am done cutting out the extras. Now the next process is to attach these wings in the side flaps. So I'll show you all that. So I'm going to, this is how I want it, so I'm going to keep it here. Take this needle and thread and start. Okay, so I'm going to leave a bit here. And okay, so I have done this and Now inside I'm going to tie a knot. Just put inside any two loops. So whatever is left out, you just put it inside, under the other part. So it's done, and here you go. This is ready. So I'll do the same to this flap and get back to you. Okay guys, so even this is done. As you can see, both the rings are attached. The next part is to attach all the parts, like fold it in and attach with this. How we have to do it is, you have to link these two with the thread. So I'll show you that. I've taken a blue thread here. So for attaching everything, I'm using only the blue thread. It's your wish. You can use both, or you can use pink or any other color whichever you want. So I'm gonna fold this and attach both this side corner one and this side corner one. Take the thread and so how we have to do it is, I'm going to take the thread from inside, leave little here, and then take it from here. I'm going to stick this using hot glue, the thread which I've left it inside, so that it doesn't come out. So I'll go on doing that from the second one. Same way I'm gonna do the complete thing, so let me do that and get back to you. Okay guys, so this is done. As you can see, I've stitched it up both the side, and this is how it looks from inside. So now we are left with few things, that is these. So sorry. So first we'll put these magnets. I'm going to put it here first, that is this part. Okay, so here, okay, I think I'll go with this one here. Seventh one, sixth and seventh one. I mean, from sixth one I'll put. Oops, sorry. First thing you have to see is you have to close this. You should see where you can put. So there. Go to the seventh one, sixth and seventh one. Sixth. You'll go to sixth and the eighth one actually. And you have to just fold it from inside. Okay, so this is done. One is done. Same way I'm going to do here. Okay guys, so that is done, as you can see. Now I've also put hot glue so that it doesn't come out at all. So here you go. You can see that this is done. So now one thing that is left is this one. I have to put it in the front, so let me do that. So here you go, this is done. So the one last thing that is left is the chain, that is the sling. So let's add that on the other side. More than the bag, the chain is heavier. Okay, so guys, oh wait, our bag is ready. Oh, I'm so happy. Let me wear it and show it to you. Okay guys, so ignore all the mess and look at this. I just come closer. This looks so pretty. I just love it. Let me show it to you. Closer. Here you go. And here. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this is fixed here, and I just love it, guys. You tell me how did you like it. I'll be waiting for your comments. So that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.